So as far as assembly goes, this seems pretty simple. The Eurorack Go holder has just these two parts in it, along with this. There is a quick start guide in here that talks about the holder, but I believe that it just gets set up like that. So I just need to take the bottom rack and set it on the bottom part of this. Right, the feet be the bottom part of this, along with the top. So I do like this, and then like this, and then the top rack would go up there. So I will maybe do this down there so that I don't hurt anything. Bring this down here. Get these out of this box. So again, it's going to be like this on this side. And this on this side. So my understanding is that these would attach there. Just like that. So I would need to remove the two screws. Let me show you. Okay. So there are two screws here on one side and then another one up here, and they're going to match up with those two screws here and that one right there. So if I look at this, I do think that will happen. I just need to remove those screws, right like that. And that'll line up. Okay, so I'll do that.